Let's do it to Anthony. Let's do it to Anthony. How about it? Oh yeah, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Anthony, go.
Anthony, where are you going?
Anthony.
Come here. Come this way. Mommy's making a movie. Come give Uncle Adam a hug and tell him Merry Christmas. Yeah. Where's everybody? Where are they? Go see. Whoa.
Oh no, here it comes! Ah! Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, use more candles.
Say you're welcome.
Welcome. Thank you. Thank you. No, we already opened.
What is it?
Candles. Nice candles.
I think you should give Uncle Adam a big hug.
I'm Uncle Adam.
Anthony.
We don't delete all of them.
Just ones of nothing, babe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The ceilings.
Anthony.
Where's the basketball thing? Oh, right here. Delete all.
Just the ones that are nothing, honey.
Anthony took like 20 of them. We don't think we